Welcome to AutoRobo Innovations. The existing education system is failing to equip students with the practical skills needed to succeed in today's job market, especially in the field of automation. Employers demand hands-on experience and proficiency in automation tools and technologies, which most graduates lack. This gap between academic knowledge and industry requirements results in unemployment and underemployment among young graduates. AutoRobo Innovations aims to create a robust and extensive ecosystem of online and offline content. Develop and offer high-quality, instructor-led online courses in automation, including topics such as robotics, industrial automation, and process control. These courses will cater to students, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. Organize practical workshops and training sessions, both online and offline, where participants can get hands-on experience with automation tools and technologies. Partner with educational institutions to set up fully equipped automation labs on their campuses. These labs will feature the latest automation equipment, including industrial robots, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and human-machine interfaces, HMIs. Offer specialized training programs, led by industry experts, focusing on automation tools, technologies, and best practices. Maintain an ongoing feedback loop with industry partners to ensure that our courses remain relevant and up-to-date with the latest trends and technologies. AutoRobo Innovations aims to address the growing skills gap in automation by providing comprehensive education, hands-on experience, and industry collaborations. We invite you to join us on this journey to revolutionize education, bridge the gap between academia and industry, and empower students and professionals with the skills needed for success in the modern workforce. Thank you for watching.